Hey, what's up guys? Travis Peters here. I wanted to talk to you real quick about sales funnels. All the hype about funnels. You've been hearing about it for a while now. What is it? Do you really need one? Is it better than a website? What's up? Okay, so here's what we're gonna do. A sales funnel, I am a believer. Okay, I'll just start with that. I've been using them ever since I kind of got the concept from Russell Brunson about 2.5, maybe 3 years ago is when he started talking about this, or when I caught wind of it, and I dove a little bit deeper, started hearing it over and over and over again. I'm a huge Russell Brunson fan and ClickFunnels fan. They've changed my life and my financial life as well. A sales funnel versus a website. Okay, let me kind of illustrate it to you like this. All right, a website is kind of just like a brick wall. All right, we're gonna throw up some products. All right, let's say we're gonna do a t-shirt store. We end up driving traffic. We've got an ad here talking about all our different shirts. And we drive traffic here, and we hope somebody buys one of our things. All right? This is how websites are today. This is how it works. This is why you got to get away from them, to be honest with you. There's still a place for this, but it's not how you want to make offers and introduce people to your brand. Let me show you what I mean. Imagine this. Okay, you got my t-shirt example. This is kind of like a car lot. All right, now imagine there's 100 of these. Okay, cars, 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 cars. And I own the car lot, and I'm gonna go tell David. I'm gonna say, David, head over to the car lot and go look at the cars. He has 100+ decisions to make, a ton of other options if you go to like a website. Let's say he's got 100 different cars he can look at. He's just browsing, he's kind of looking, man, I'm gonna do an SUV. Wife's been talking about the minivan though, but I really been wanting a Lexus. Ooh, but the convertible, been wanting a convertible as well. Guess what happens when you have that many options? When you throw people at a brick wall like this and they've got all these options, they don't make a choice. If you've got too many options, you never pick one because you end up short-circuiting and talking yourself out of it. The reason sales funnels works so well and the conversion rates are so high is because we give them a different customer experience. All right? On a normal website, if you're selling a product and you can convert at 1% to 2%, it's about the average. All right? People flip over a 2% conversion rate. For every 100 people that come to their site, 2 people buy. They love it. It's probably less than that now. I'd probably say the average is 1-ish% right now in today's day and age. So with funnels, depending on the product, but we can convert 20, 30, 40, 60% of the sales because of what I'm about to show you. All right. So let me represent, or let me give you an example of what it's like going through a sales funnel. Let's say David is on Facebook or Instagram, and we've targeted David because we know he has an interest in several car magazines. He follows Top Gear as a TV show, and we know he's just a car guy. We've targeted him based off stuff that he likes. Okay? So what I can do is I can now get his attention as he's scrolling with something car related because I know he's a car guy. Let's say I own this car lot here. I can run an ad that says something like, maybe summertime's coming up. Maybe I know I'm targeting people who are over the age of 40. And I could have an ad that talks about a midlife crisis with a big red convertible. I could talk about how, man, you're about to enter your golden years. You need to celebrate. You deserve it. You've earned it. All these different things. Have you been dreaming about getting a luxury vehicle, a sports car, the way you're going to feel, the way you're going to come across to clients? I can speak all those different things and I can grab his attention because he'll raise his hand and say, yes, that is exactly what I've been looking for. And then, this is my sales funnel guy, he's going to reach out and make David a direct offer, and he's going to take David by the hand and lead him exactly to the perfect car that he's been dreaming about. Giving David that custom experience, giving David that perfect leading. Instead of just saying, go pick a car, he's going to find out what David wants, make him an offer, and bring him straight to the best solution for David. That's what a sales funnel does. Let's go back to the t-shirt example. My mom, sent me a link last Christmas and said, I want this shirt for Christmas. Okay. Now, this is actually a pretty common tactic, but it's a great one. And what happened was someone had gone on Facebook and targeted her. Now, my mom's older, so they targeted women over 55. They targeted women who had a social work degree. All right. And then they ran an ad to her in her news feed. It was long sleeve because it was wintertime. And it said something to the effect of, it was something like, never trust an old woman with a social work degree. Like, that's it. But because it was so specific to my mom in her newsfeed, she thought it was the coolest thing ever and was like, what? This shirt is perfect for me. Just like David said about that car and that offer. He said, that car is perfect for me. So guess what? She sent me the link and it was just a 1-page funnel. It had a countdown because we always add scarcity and urgency, right? This offer expires in, and it had like 30 minutes left, 28 minutes left, right? So it had a countdown for urgency. It had where I could pick I think I could pick short sleeve. No, I think I could just pick a couple colors. Like 1, 2, or 3 different colors I could pick from. And then, and it was expensive too. It was like, I don't even remember, $39. It was higher priced than a normal shirt typically is. So this ad took me here. It had a countdown. It had the perfect shirt for her, right? So she's thinking this is great. And then once I made the purchase, so I went ahead and bought it for her. Then it took me to an upsell page where I could get the matching one in the short sleeve version. Matches that shirt. Then I also had one that talked about grandpa. It was like grandpa, the man, the myth, the legend, or something like that, right? Because these are smart marketers who knew if I bought something that was, you're probably going to buy this as a gift, and it was for a grandma-aged lady, so they upsold me to a grandpa shirt. It was genius. Right? And then they had the countdown here, and that price is going up, or that offer's going away as well. Guess what? I bought both shirts, right? I knew it was a marketing ploy. I knew what was going down. Like, it didn't fool me. I know what was happening. And actually, I like it. I like to be sold. Most people do. So I ended up spending about $80 because they gave us that perfect customer experience. This is what a sales funnel does. I've even seen some people I know who own t-shirt companies. They'll do offers like this, and then the very last offer, they will want to put you on a monthly recurring subscription and say, for $15 a month, would you like us to send you out a new shirt like this, surprise designs every single month? And he gets t-shirt sales on monthly recurring subscriptions at the end of his funnel. Now, this is how you do things today. Now, the difference would be, going back to that first example, if my mom would have, or if this company right here would show me the thousands of shirt designs that they have, I probably never would have found this, the grandma and grandpa stuff, and I probably wouldn't have made a choice or decision. But because they targeted my mom, did a great job, some smart marketing, had a great offer, she sent it to me, I bought it, they upsold me, their average cart value for me was $80. If you've got a t-shirt store like I drew originally with a whole bunch of t-shirts that you're just selling for $19, $15, $20, and they're random and all over the place, this never would have happened. And the average cart value on those stores are much, much lower, and the conversion rates are much, much lower. So think about it. Think about this. An average store conversion rate online would be, like I said, 1% to 2%. But if you get this ad targeted to the right people, can you imagine how high their conversion rate is? Man, the old way, you're looking at a 2% max conversion rate, but some of our sales funnels, man, they have 26% conversion rates. So for every 100 targeted people who click this ad and come here, 26 of them buy. Do you see how this works? Do you see how much more money that is? Plus the conversion, plus the upsells and the downsells. And if you wanted to do a monthly recurring, you could. This is why you need a sales funnel, guys. Now, if you've got a website and you're selling a bunch of shirts, that's fine. We can come back to these guys through email and send them back to the website with all the options later on for different offers, okay? You can still use it. But when I'm introducing somebody or introducing a new offer, trying to get people aware of my brand or what I'm selling, you do it through a funnel. You're going to make a lot more cash. You're going to make a lot more sales. You'll be able to spend more on ads because of it, so you can scale quickly. And that profit and that margin is going to be there. Because once you've acquired a customer, they're going to keep buying from you. They're going to keep buying from you. If these guys marketed to me again through email and through other ads with t-shirts in this realm, I'd probably buy more, because my mom has birthdays and Mother's Day and the next Christmas and all those different things. I know she likes it. I'm going to keep buying from them if they keep selling to me. That's how you acquire a customer for cheap. That's how you get your profit margins up, is you build a funnel. All right? Hope that was clear. I hope that made sense. A funnel is going to take that person down a custom experience and say, here's the perfect thing you want. Instead of saying, you go pick, I'm going to throw you over here. All right, so figure out, how can we make a funnel for what you're trying to sell? All right, make sure you like and subscribe to this channel, because I got more great stuff coming at you soon.